Hi, so I'm Mia, and I'm on my cousin's channel. Hey, and so we're doing slime ASMR.
Hey guys.
I almost got that in your hair. Okay, so first slime.
Well, we're doing an ASMR.
Yeah. So first slime is Dichi. Okay, first. Oh my god, butt.
It's still up.
Okay. So I guess we're not doing that as the first slime.
Here, let me see. Let me show them. Look, it's a butt. A small butt and a big butt.
Okay, so
That was funny.
she's just gonna do this slime first.
Whoa. Okay, so this is called Blue Christmas. Oh. It's kind of sticky. There's two of these slimes. The other one's not really sticky like this one, but I like this one being sticky. So, yeah. The other one's called Blue Cloud Slime, but it's not a cloud slime. It's foam. They're both foam. And we made it with glitter glue.
And,
Glow in the dark.
And blue glitter glue.
And blue glitter glue and foam. And contact solution.
And foam soap. Foam soap. That's why it smells good.
Smell, guys. Smell it. Smell. Smell. Okay. So, let's do the ASMR. First, bubble. I moved the camera just in case it's too big. Okay. Oh, let me try again.
So we rolled our tea leaves and brewed it to low temperature.
The other bubble liquid. I get that tea.
And sorry for the background noises.
Yeah. It's like 10 o'clock at night. So, whoa! It's very dark, so I'm outside.
Outside. Outside.
And tomorrow we're going to Waterworks. Not telling you where.
Well, we don't live in Cog Falls. We're just going to the waterworks in Cog Falls, but my family has passes.
So, you might meet, some of you guys might meet us there. Maybe. Probably not, no. We mostly just go on the slides and swim. Well, duh. That's what you mostly do.
Sorry for the shaky camera, because I'm holding.
Oh, butt
There's
cheek.
the-
Butt cheek.
Okay, now for the crunch. And
Let me do the bubble. I mean, one crunch without the bubble.
Except for Mike, who gets 2 Scrabble tiles, each worth $100.
Okay, and the poke.
Swirl.
Hey, the only thing left in here is a dirty sock. Okay.
We're doing swirl.
Sock, and your dad and I will just keep track of where we're going with our fingers. See, this is great. I'm first.
Poke.
Chest. Smell cards. Okay, well, pop this bubble, and if you get a 2 or a 6,
So,
Okay, so that was Blue Christmas.
5, too bad. Right? You're
Put it
up.
back.
okay,
Close
so
up. Close up. Close up. Not very close though.
the next
Just in case I
one
do a big bubble.
is a butter slime.
Okay. It's either,
This is my favorite. I love that.
What? Sorry guys. On accident.
I love butter. So,
make a special vacation here, Mike. Just
Action.
so, and I like the cakes that I make. Slime cakes. Slime cakes. So,
Whoa! Guys, look. Look at the bubble I made.
well, you can have peppermint forest or green frosty or
keep interrupting her.
So, this one, sorry, I'm greasy, I have bug spray on.
Sue, I told you we're not talking about trying to create some special
So it's called pumpkin spice because it's pumpkin spice scented and it kind of reminds me of Halloween. So, Peyton, would you mind holding the thing over me so I can do it?
That's not how it works. It always
Okay.
takes something before. Axel, please.
I'll just stand.
Do we say the pledge of allegiance?
Okay, so I'll just. This is
Sorry, it's shaky.
this is like. Okay, wait. So this doesn't have very good swirls, but at least I'm going to try to get a good swirl. Oh God, because it's really
Should I do the swirl?
straight. No. Okay.
It's kind of like putty but sticky.
It's not really putty. Okay, no, can't do that. But I can show you the poking.
In crunch.
Yes, and the.
In the spray.
And, yeah. Okay, ready?
No
So-
butter knife.
This is this is the poking. Sorry for the background noise.
We kept saying that.
We'll stop. Now for the spreading. This is really good butter slime.
Maybe we'll do a house tour of this house. Like in the morning or something.
Maybe. I'm sorry. I just like.
How? Wait, what time are we leaving? To what?
About like. I don't know. Probably early.
Okay,
So yeah, this is
the butter slime.
this is pumpkin spice butter slime. And yeah, this isn't as sticky anymore actually.
Okay, this is a very slime fail. Bad slime fail.
Only because it got wet for some reason, and you didn't use a lot of it.
Feel it.
It's so wet. It feels disgusting. It feels like slime.
Look, guys.
Slime.
I'm trying
actual
with
slime.
my muscles. Yeah.
Okay, wait. So this is new slime versus old slime. This is my first slime that I ever made.
No,
Yes, it
that
is.
other blue one.
Well, that one was a fail too. So.
Oh my God, guys! Look, you can't even poke it.
Okay, so first is up is poking.
Hold on, wait. Let me.
This poking.
Guys, look. You can't even poke it.
Yeah, I know. So ready? See. Okay, so this poking versus other poking. So this is new slime poking. Is this?
Move it up. Guys, go subscribe to Annie LeBlanc. LeBlanc. She's really pretty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So and we also have this other old slime.
Let me go get the other one.
Should be out there. So while that's happening, I'm just gonna play with
Why would you go out of your way to wander around the warehouse for paint when you can just swing by your local Ace? Ace has top-rated paint like one coat coverage Valspar, can
Guys.
match any color, and
Oh,
this
God.
is
Also a
certified award-winning service because
What?
when Ace
We're playing with the
any
butter
Ace go
slime.
out of their way,
Oh, you play with this?
Guys, this is worse than the other one.
No, the other.
No.
We'll bring you what you need and deliver
The other.
Again, old slime versus new slime. This isn't actually really new though, but we keep it in good condition.
See? We'll show you. One,
surface stains in just 3 days.
2.
I'm gonna play with mine.
So basically, we're not doing it ASMR anymore. Okay, scooch.
Yeah, we're basically, it's a slime collection. It's a slime collection.
Scooch.
I know.
No, you don't have to move out the chair though.
Okay.
My hair's a mess.
No, no.
Yeah. Okay. Can you put your arm away so I can play? You can play with that. Just don't get it too close to each other. I'm about to try to do a butt cheek bubble. Bubble butt. Whoa!
Bubble butt.
Nice.
Bubble butt. By the way,
Ouch,
I'm
ouch,
so
ouch.
tall.
What year is it?
I'm tall. By the way.
Guys, my waist hurts.
15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
We might wrap up this video in a second.
Are the measure of a dog's midlife.
It's already 11 minutes.
Feel the laugh you love most.
And we might go watch some Chicken Girls.
No, we already watched it.
Bigger the line.
Some more Chicken Girls.
No.
How can we say when you book direct at
How can we say it?
TrustHotels.com, you always get the lowest price in our rooms,
Ooh,
guaranteed?
this is
Let's say it in a
cool.
really low voice.
Look at this, it's like a
Lowest price
machine.
guaranteed. Just stick with Bada Boom.
And by the way, they're different colors. See,
ChoiceHotels.com.
like on the get it close, get it close.
I know people need
They're, that's exactly why we don't get it close. That one's more darker and this one's more lighter.
Yeah, I like the darker.
I like the lighter.
We both like our own slime. I like mine not as sticky as she likes hers. She keeps hers really sticky, and
Yeah.
this isn't really sticky though. See, well, it's pretty sticky, but she likes hers like super sticky for some reason.
This is not steak. Not for me. 'Cause I don't have to play slime.
I do too.
Not as best as me. You said I was the best at playing this.
I never said
Yes, you
that.
did.
I
When
said
Ari
like
was here.
we're like this.
It does not bring people closer.
When
I was
Ari
scored
was
that. Just like
I hate whenever people go so slow like this.
Okay, yes, it's all.
Don't you guys hate when people go like this?
or it's like when there's. Oh yeah, I think. Whoa! Pretty soon I'm gonna go to the store and get some ingredients for some water jiggly slime, and we'll show you the making of that. As soon as she comes over again, we'll make some water jiggly slime.
Hey, I never slept.
Because I'm gonna go get some ingredients for some water jiggly slime.
Drive home, 'cause you-
If you haven't seen them, look it up. Because
Oh,
it's the
she's
best.
going to a Taylor Swift concert on July 17th for her birthday. In 2 days, well, basically one. It's her birthday. It's her real birthday.
And my name is Kayla.
No, it's
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
That's tasty. But I'm still kind of full from all the cake. From our wedding.
AJ, come
How long has this been going
on.
on? 13 minutes? Jesus.
Let's wrap up the video now.
Not yet. Okay, fine. We'll see you all next time. Goodbye.